Today I'm going to show you how you can earn an extra $50 per day online for free. I'm going to bring it back to the basics and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, because I know that $50 per day for a lot of people is what it's going to take for them to consider going either part-time to their job or quitting their job. So here's how you can make $50 per day online. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So let's just jump into the video. So in this video, I'm going to keep it simple. I don't believe you need to know advanced marketing methods to make an extra $50 per day. It can be relatively simple and I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm going to keep it free. You don't need to spend any money to do this. This is not Amazon FBA. This is no content writing, no surveys. And just watch the video till the end so you can understand what it is. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions and tell you exactly what you need to do. And I really do believe this method could make you your first $1,000 online. So with all that being said, we'll now jump into the actual video. Make sure you watch it all the way till the end because I'm really going to try and help you out here. And let's just jump into it. So like I said, we're going to be keeping it simple and we're going to be using websites that we're already familiar with. Websites that you might have tried before, but sites that are proven to make money online, and sites that if you go and follow this method and you use these sites, you can make some money with them too. So we want to go to Clickbank. Now, I know a lot of you might click off the video now because you might think Clickbank's a scam, and nobody buys Clickbank's products, but I'm going to show you the exact product that you can promote on Clickbank to make some money, and then I'm going to show you how you can promote it as well. So go to Clickbank and you want to make an account, so click on create account, and what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be signing up for a free Clickbank account. Now, the reason why I love Clickbank is because with other networks and with other websites, you have to request approval to actually promote products. But on Clickbank, you can promote any product for free without having to request approval. And you can make an account in literally 2 minutes. So when you've got your account on Clickbank, go and sign into it. I'm going to log into my account right now. Once you've logged in, you should be on the marketplace. If you're not on the marketplace for whatever reason, go up here to marketplace and it should take you here. Now what we should see is categories with all different virtual products inside. So if you're not familiar with Clickbank, they offer virtual products, courses, training products, software and things like that. Now the one that we're going to promote, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video, you want to go into computers and internet, and we're going to be basically promoting a piece of software. So click on computers and internet. You can filter by either popularity or gravity, it doesn't really matter, but we need to understand a few things about Clickbank. These are all different products. Here is the average amount you're going to get per sale. And there's other information here that you can look at, but for beginners, we just need to focus on this one here and make sure it's relatively high in the list. Now you want to scroll all the way down and we're looking for a piece of software here called VIP Video Converter. It's a free video and audio converter, and it allows you to download video and audio from websites as well as convert different audio and video files. So for example, we can use this to convert MP4 to WMV and things of that nature. You're basically going to get $7 on average per sale. So it's a low price point, it's easy to promote as a beginner, and basically this can be the product that you first make some money with on Clickbank. So we're going to open up the product and we'll take a look at it. And here it is, VIP Video Converter. It's a $19 product, well, a $20 product. And it's basically a converter, like I said, which converts video and audio files to different files. Now we can go onto formats here. And we can convert these different formats here. So you've got MP4, AVI, WMV, MOV, MPEG. And then you've got all different audio formats. You can even download from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, Twitter, Dropbox. Now what you want to do is you want to download a trial version of the VIP Video Converter. So click download now. And it's going to download a trial version of the software. I'm pretty sure that the trial version is only available for a couple of days. Once you've downloaded the trial version, we can open it up and this is what it's going to look like. It again allows you to download and convert these different files into other files here. So there's a lot of files that you can convert, and these are going to be talking points for us to promote this actual piece of software. So we can also do audio, devices and web. So there's a lot of files and a lot of different things that this software can do. And like I said, this is going to be how we're going to promote it. By tapping into these different file formats. Now what we need to do is we need to get a link that links to this page here. So when people download it and when people buy it, we're going to get a commission when they do that. So we want to go back to Clickbank, you want to click on promote, And remember, you need to be signed in for this. And then type in your account nickname, and you can see how much commission we're going to get here. And we can then click generate hop links. Once we've done that, we're going to get a link which is going to be unique to us, and it's going to send them to this page here. Now, before we even start to promote this, we need to know that this link is kind of ugly and people aren't going to click on a link like this. So you want to copy this and you want to go to bit.ly. Go to bit.ly, and this website here is basically going to be able to shorten the link. So we're going to be able to have a better looking link. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to paste in this. I'm going to click on create, and it's going to give us a shortened link here. Now we can even go and customize this and add writing. So I could call it VIP video converter and click save. So okay, that's already been taken. So we'll just try VIP video convert, click save. And there we go, the link has now been edited. So now we can copy this link, and if we paste this link, it's going to go to a unique link that we've just copied. It's going to go to this link here, and it just masks the link. It just looks a lot better. So we've got VIP video convert. Now what we need to do is we need to get traffic to this link and get that traffic to go and buy this product, which again is only $20. So it's pretty easy to get someone to buy it. They're not going to need much convincing. The way we're going to do that is by leveraging YouTube. Now I know a lot of you are going to click off the video now because I've said YouTube, but trust me, right, if you're not investing into video content online, you're not going to make much money in 2019 moving into 2020. And the method that I'm about to show you right now, you can do YouTube and you can create videos around this software here without even having to put your face on camera. And honestly, you don't even need to speak on the video either. But if you can speak and if you can add your voice to the recording, it's going to convert a lot better. But just know there are ways you can do it without speaking. So for us to make videos around this software, you want to go to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio. Now OBS Studio is going to allow us to record our computer screen, and it's going to allow us to talk over this product here. So this is why I've picked this product as well, because you can promote it via video. You don't have to show your face, and all you need to do is download a free screen recording software and you can get started promoting it. So download OBS Studio. It's the software I'm currently recording with right now. It's a really powerful software. It's completely free and it allows you to record your desktop screen. You can also go to edit or file settings, and you can also add an audio mic input. So once you've done that, you can then start to record videos. Now we need to understand what videos we're going to actually record and what videos we're going to publish to YouTube and what keywords and things like that we're going to target. So now let's go to YouTube and now let's figure out our keyword strategy. So here we are on YouTube. Now what you might want to do is download an add-on which tells you the score of keywords. And what I mean by that is, say for example, I type in best video converter. This is just a random keyword. And we're going to get, with my add-on here, which is called TubeBuddy, which I'll leave a link in the description below, we're going to get like the score, the rating out of 100, and it's going to basically tell us if we can rank for this video. In this case, this is a very competitive keyword with a lot of competition, and we're not going to be really able to rank for this, but I'm just showing you really how TubeBuddy works and how we can figure out what videos to make. So if we type in best video converter, we get a lot of different keywords here which are related and some tags here. So some of these may be useful to us, so we will try here best video converter for PC. And what we're trying to do here is find keywords which have a good score, which we might be able to rank for. So again, we can't really rank for this, it's got a poor score. And you want to aim for a score over like 60. So we'll try best video converter for PC free. Or not free, sorry, because this isn't a free product. We'll try 2019. And this is the process you want to be going through to find keywords that you can potentially rank for. So here you've got one good, 56 out of 100. So what you would do is you would open up Notepad. And this is the exact method I use to rank for videos online. And you will paste it in. Now we can find other ones. Now the reason this software is so good is because we've got different video and audio formats. And each of these individual videos. So we could do how to convert AVI to MP4. And then we've got on Windows 10 in After Effects without losing quality. So we'll just try this one here. And boom, we've got another keyword that we can rank for. So these are all individual videos that we can make by using OBS to record and by showing people how they can convert this exact file in VIP Video Converter. So if you're not starting to understand here, basically what we're doing is we're getting a list of videos that we can make, that we can record with OBS, and we can show people exactly how to do their search query with VIP Video Converter. Now what you would do is you would take your link, which we've just got from Bitly, so we'll get it here, we'll copy it, and you'll put this link in the description of your video. So you can see this person here has got a link to a piece of software. This person's already doing this method, and there's plenty of room for you to do the method as well. So again, you would try and get another keyword. And you just gotta play around with it, and you've just gotta find keywords that you could potentially rank for. There we go, this one's a much better score. This is basically YouTube SEO, and it's very powerful. And if you find good keywords along with other practices, you can start to create videos and rank them on YouTube. Now, obviously, I can't explain the whole YouTube SEO ranking, making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube process. So I want to direct you in the description, I'll leave a link to YouTube Supremacy. It's basically a course and a full in-depth course which shows you exactly how you can rank on YouTube, how you can get free traffic, how you can make money with affiliate marketing, how you can get your videos to rank, just all of this. It basically shows you exactly how you can make money online with YouTube affiliate marketing. It's exactly what I'm talking about in this video. And look, if we scroll down here, we can learn how to dominate with a niche channel, how to rank videos, how to build authority, video optimization, uploading. It basically shows you everything you need to know, thumbnails. It's a really great course that I would recommend you go and follow if you want to make money with this method. If you can get instant access now, just click on it. For you to buy it, it's only going to cost you $10, and it's the best $10 you'll ever spend. And honestly, it's going to tell you everything you need to know about making money on YouTube with YouTube affiliate marketing. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go and check that out. But basically what we would do in a nutshell is create videos around keywords that we can rank for, create that content with OBS, and promote this product here, VIP Video Converter, with a link in the description below. Don't give up uploading videos, maybe upload 20 to 50 videos, all promoting this one product, and you'll see results. You'll see a couple of your videos will start to rank, and it's a snowball effect from there. The more videos that start to rank, the more videos in the future which will rank, which is going to get you more views, which will result in more commissions. So that's all I'm going to say on this video, guys. Make sure you go and check out YouTube Supremacy. It's a genuine good course for you to make money on YouTube. I hope that video helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.